the Jinja template. So Jinja templates, it is basically HTML. So we combine HTML with the Flask code. Okay, so that is here Jinja templates. Like in the PHP, how we mix the HTML and the scripting. In the VB script, how we do in the VBA, Visual Basic for Application. Sorry, that is it is actually VB script only. So Visual Basic as well as HTML, how we can do that was with the AP Classic ASP, Active Server Pages. So in the JSP, how we mix Java server core server side pages going to it's going to contain like Java code as well as HTML markup. In the same manner, here we can have Python as well as uh, like uh, uh, Python language related code and the HTML code. So that is possible with the help of the Jinja templates. So this is Jinja example. Let me create first of all a virtual environment, Python -m env venv virtual environment Jinjas. So this is the name I'm giving here. Then here change into concern folder. Right here cd scripts, then activate. Okay, so we have activated it. Then here we'll do with the required libraries we need to install. Pip install Python, Flask. So it is installed for us. Normally we have to go with -save. So automatically getting installed for us, no issue. Because virtual environment in this not required here, otherwise we require. Okay. The next thing, okay, so the next thing here, we have installed this. Flask is installed. With the Flask, now we need to do first. For templating purpose, we do it. Now, let us go to Visual Studio. It is Jinja examples. Okay, so it is the folder we open. Okay, then followed by, first of all, we need to write the Flask application name. And in this, we need to create, first of all, Flask main application. And here we add the templates. We have a folder called templates. Then here we have lib scripts templates. Now here I want to create a file called main.py. I can create here a new file main.py. So here in this, I have to start first of all the required HTML page. Required libraries I need to add first. From Flask, we need to import certain libraries. We import Flask followed by redirect, then URL for. So these functions we are importing from the this Flask library. Okay, then immediately what we have to do, we need to add something like this. App equal to it is Flask. Then here underscore underscore. We put this as here name. Once this is created, you need to go with some kind of roots here at app dot followed by root. And then here double quote slash. This is called as decorator. Then here we go with def. We write this as index. This can be index page. Okay, this is what exactly index. The function is index. And here now we need to write return welcome to Flask trap sample application. Okay. Similarly, next one, we go with this def followed by here. Sorry, again, I need to go with here with the @app, then dot root. So here inside this slash followed by in square brackets, we put this as, okay, something like name I can put. This is going to be like a parameter we send from the front end. Okay, then here it is def followed by here admin user. So admin user, this is a function which requires some name. Then here it is return. I want to go with the F string. Hello, followed by here in the curly brackets, you put name. F string I am using in this. Okay. Sometimes what happens, one more thing, let us see here. Here, right, app.root followed by here slash admin. It is actually admin user. Okay, this it shows that kind of error, no issue. Then here, right, we go with the right return. Here we go with the redirect followed by this is URL for. Here we go with admin user. The next thing here, comma, name equal to here it is whatever name we give. So that can be here super admin we put. Okay, I'm not using any function. Without using function, I'm trying to do this one here, redirect. So I must write here some def followed by, here it is. You can write like this, my admin, followed by here it is name. Okay, followed by here it is name. Then we put in this manner. Okay, admin root I have taken. Like this, I'm writing here /admin. So whenever we pass here name, but from where we get name in such cases, no name is required here. We need to remove name. Here in this case, you are going to pass name, but here not passing any name. Or else even here, admin followed by here. You can go with this then. Here you can put name. That name we can pass. Then here again, name equal to name, you should write. Or you can write this as, for avoiding confusion, ADMN name. ADM name, admin name. You can take this and you can put here. And this is what again, ADN name. So like this, we created here three things. These all three are called as roots. All of them are actually rendering HTML content. But this is returning simple string for us. This is also returning simple string. And whenever you go with here, admin followed by, this is what ADMN name, ADM name. In such case, again, you go to the same, which one that is, same user, same index we need to take in this case here. Okay, so, sorry, it should go to admin user. So in such case, what happens? Here it's going to be passing in this manner as well. My admin name. Okay, so here using my admin, you're going to again admin user only. It is for redirection I'm showing here. It may not be meaningful. So this is exactly what, or else you can put this as a normal user. It can be normal user, and this is going to be here admin user. Three HTML templates we are creating. So first one, a default one, it's going to print welcome to Flask trap sample application. Second one is going to print here a user followed by name. After user, you need to put a name. So that name gets printed for us. In the third case, what happens? We are going to call actually admin followed by name. Then it's going to be redirecting to the user. Okay, so root is what here? It is app root /name. So therefore here we need to put it as not admin user. So we have to go with the user in such cases. So it is going to print the admin name for us. Okay, we have to print actually admin name. So here put ADM name. This is now appropriate for us. This is going to be appropriate for us. We are keeping like this here, ADMN name. This is a keyword. We are using this keyword with that we try to do this. This is what main.py. Just come here, Python, followed by main.py. Okay. So Python main.py reason, in the ending, we haven't added anything. We need to write in the ending. Here write if underscore name equal to if it is underscore main, and then followed by we put here colon, then write here app.run. Earlier it was not running because we haven't had this statement. Now it is available on the port number 5000. Go to localhost. Then here it is 5000. It says welcome to Flask Trap Sample. Next thing is what we have gone with the user /user followed by here some ASR. It says not found. Okay. So in such cases, what I do, / followed by here ASR. It says hello ASR, whatever you type it. Okay, whatever you type it, this is actually showing us. Next one, we go here followed by /admin, then /ASR. Again, it's saying here internal server error. So if you come here, this is what exactly my admin. Okay, but root name is what here? Admin followed by admin name. Admin followed by admin name. So how I gave here? I gave like actually admin followed by ASR. This should work for us. Why it is not working? Now we need to check here. This is simply /name we have taken, but here in this case /admin we are taking. So when we take /admin, with this must work for us. Okay, let me go with admin here. What happens in such cases? It prints actually hello admin. It is printing actually in this case hello admin. Okay. So, but where we have given this one, from here it is actually my admin name. Here admin name should come for us. But when you go with this, it's printing actually hello admin for us. Because, okay, what I do here, so this is giving problem for us. Variable name is giving problem. Otherwise, just write here name equal to ADMN name. Now, once again, come here, it's printing this, then here, go with ASR. It says internal server error. Okay, it says here internal server error, but here I'm going in this manner. Admin followed by here admin name, ADMN name. Okay, here also it is ADMN name. Then name equal to ADMN name. For user, we require name. So I'm passing in that case a name. So for user exactly what we need, okay, we require here / like this. Then once again, we render here this one. Okay, but what is the difference in such cases? It is admin. Okay, when I go with admin, this is what admin ADMN name. Okay, so it has to redirect to this particular thing name, and you should have name equal to ADMN name. Okay, so here it is. I've gone in this manner only, but still this is not printing for us. Okay, root. This is what admin followed by less than admin name we have given. Okay, and this is going to be root is actually we don't have any root. Let us go with user. This should basically URL for okay. It's not working with us. But if you only go with the admin in such case, this is working. Hello admin, it says. Fine. So in such case, just we use only admin. We remove here admin name. Then here we don't pass any name. We call this as here super admin. We call this as here super admin. So super admin must be getting printed now here in this. Still it says admin only, because whenever you go with slash and when you take a name, it is going automatically with the name. It is unable to go that way actually. What is happening in this case, if you look at this particular thing, here we have slash followed by name. So as soon as we type here admin, it's going into this particular thing only. To the second one, it's going. So instead of that, if you go with some other mechanism, here say like, okay, so this also we try to put as admin, then followed by here again, ADMN name. Okay, then here we write name equal to, in this here it is ADMN name. It is not available here. First we need to pass in this. Okay, so this time again we see we come into admin followed by AVR. Still it says actually admin error. So normally we go with root followed by here variable name we can give. So it is using that variable name. Because of that actually we have a problem in this. Slash followed by in the square brackets when you give in here, if you give name like this is a problem. So therefore we have to go here with the user followed by here we go here with the name. Name must be coming in this manner here. So in such cases now we don't face problem. Here we go with the admin followed by here it is name. Admin name. Now it can print with the admin name there. It can print with the admin name. Okay. Once again, we try to go with this. So first of all, we go here with the user. We come to end. Requested URL is not found, it says. Okay, requested URL is not found. Fine. This is user. It's not giving us requested URL. Okay. The default one we are getting without any problem. If you go with this. But after that, when you go here with the user followed by name, I can go here with the user. It says hello user. So reason here it is automatically it is taking this part. This is not mandatory. Okay, then here followed by ASR. Even in that case, it is not taking. This must be always actually the variable. This must be variable. So whatever content you want to take, you can put simply in that. So this feature is not going to be working. But when you go here, admin, followed by if you hard code something that can work for us. Remove this here, name equal to, right, super admin. It should give us super admin. Okay, it should give us actually super admin, but still it's going with the admin only, even in that case. Okay. Try to this, go with this again. Here I go with user, just like this I take. it's working properly. Then here put current. Hello current, this is printing. Similarly, here we go with the admin. Hello admin, it's printing. So it's not actually getting redirected. I remove the function name in this. Okay, just see whether this is giving error. It's not giving any error. So I go here with the /admin then. It's not working. Okay, so when I try to redirect, it's not getting redirected. In fact, it should go to the admin port. Super admin must be getting printed. It's unable to redirect here whenever you go with the admin. Is the name of the function admin only? It's admin. It's not getting redirected to user in that. It's in fact error is showing here. Okay, return normally we can use only within that. So just it's not working here in this example. Okay, that is fine. Then redirection port we see later on. But right now, it is two things are working. Basically, this is HTML. Plain text we are putting in that. Now we can go here with the HTML content as well. HTML content as well we can do. So what we do in such cases, we can create here some simple HTML page and we try to render that. So we render simple HTML page. We have to create HTML page. That HTML page we have to render in this. So the hierarchy must be something like this here. If you go with the folder path, link, scripts, templates, main.py is available here. Okay. So in the main.py, basically, this is going to be set. You can think even this as a roots. You can think this particular thing as actually root only. Then here, one more thing, you can go for templates as well. From Flask, import render template. You have to render a template. So let me define here some new function called home in this. Def, sorry, not def actually, here it is, @app root. Okay, @app root. Then here slash, we put this as here home. Okay, then here in this, okay, it's not that, it's there is no colon required here. We need to define function def, it is home, put a colon, then here write this way, return, go with render template. Okay, inside this now we need to add the required things. First thing is what HTML page. You need to go with home.html. First parameter is. So first parameter is going to be here like home HTML, followed by here title you can put. For this purpose, admin pages. Then after that you can have some sort of description. Description. Okay, description equal to, it is sample page for testing. We created like this. So we require a HTML page in the, if you look at render templates, sorry, it is render template only, not templates, render template. So we are invoking that particular function. With the help of that, a template can be rendered. So we need to create a HTML page. With the help of that, we have to render it. Okay, but we need to specify where exactly the templates path is. Without that, it can't render. So in the routes.py file or main.py file, we need to set that. We have roots in that. So in that, you need to specify here that particular, Flask, it is going to use actually templates. We need to specify that template folder, where exactly it is, we need to write in that. And in the templates folder, we have to create various HTML pages. We have to create the HTML pages. Okay. So let us try to first do that part. Templates folder, we need to specify here. Okay. In the earlier also, in some of the applications, we have done same thing. We require a templates folder. So in the templates folder, we have to set that. So where we have to set that, whenever we create Flask application, here we need to set that. We have a template underscore folder. Okay, then here equal to template directory. What is the template directory here? It is templates. So in this templates directory, we have. Okay, or else you can go this with the file name, like some variable we can create. Here write HTML path. You can write this way, OS dot followed by here path, then dot, you have here ABS path. You can get absolute path of that. Absolute path. So main.py we have written in the same folder. Therefore, here we can write this as dot followed by here it is templates. Or else we can go here with this and we can set this as here templates. So this is templates. We can set in this manner, and we have to import the OS. So when you import OS, there will not be any problem. We have given this as here absolute path. Or else we can go with the dot slash templates. Okay, so this must be now HTML path. Template folder is here, HTML path. Now in the templates folder, we have to create the required HTML pages. Okay, let us create HTML pages in this. One page we create, we call it as actually index.html. It's not dynamic, it's only static content we are trying to create in this. Okay. So here in this main.py, here, sorry, not main.py. In this folder, we have to name it as home.html. So it is, the file name is here what? HTML path became templates, and in this home.html. So in this doc type, the HTML page normally it should come. Why it is giving error like this? Sorry. Doc type HTML. Even with this also it works, but sometimes this is required. Okay. Next thing is here HTML slash HTML. Then it is head slash head. Then this is here body. We have a slash body. Then inside this H1. Okay. This is style, text align. This is center. Welcome. So we put here followed by slash H1. Like this, we created. Now with home, this must be getting rendered for us. This has to be getting rendered when you go with that. So here we go with this, then type slash home. It says hello home. Okay. It's because of this improper kind of thing. What we have done, one improper definition we made. Because of that, we have this issue. So this is causing nuisance for us. Okay, when I say home, we stop this here and go with this. Then here in this case, I go with the welcome, we are getting message. From the Ginger template, it's getting rendered. Try to create at your ends in the same manner. Just I'll come back within just 1 minute. This is the code. With the help of this, we do it. Okay, we could render here somehow a HTML page. Okay, but this is not containing any dynamic data. Suppose we need some dynamic data, how to render? Let us see in this. Right now, we don't have any dynamic data in this. Okay, we don't have any dynamic data. It is just actually, it is only just static data. If you go with the home.html. For this, normally we don't require any Python scripting normally for HTML pages. But suppose you need to go with some like dynamic content. Okay, we require some dynamic content. So in such cases, how we go see in this now example. Top level, what I do, I can declare a variable here in this manner, home title. Okay, home title or home description. So this is equal to here, it is a sample content for home page. Like this we make, and in the HTML page, we need to render that particular thing. We must render that in the HTML page. So how we can send that? Okay, so here we have given title, we have given description. So whenever you go with the render template, it's getting rendered. But suppose here you go with like content equal to here in this. What is the variable name I created here? Home description. I can put something like this here. Then after that, I can come to home page. In the home.html, this I can render within the body. I can go here with the h2. Okay, then slash h2, and here I can put the dynamic content. Sorry, only single I need to take. Then here inside this, I must be rendering it. So it is actually content for me now. It is going to be content. Like this, I want to here print, but not just one curly bracket. I need two curly brackets. Using two curly brackets, it is called a string interpolation. Whatever data we have, this must be getting rendered. Again, refresh this. Okay, when you go here in this, now this is not rendering for us. Home, welcome, it's not rendering. What is the reason? Once again, let us see. Content equal to home description we have. This is a variable name. Okay, so this content I need to here render in the HTML page. I've gone with this and trying to print here, but this is not actually accepting it. Reason, here we go this way, then percent followed by here block, and we name it as here content. Then similarly, here after h2, I'll come this way, then percent, then this is end. I can write this as block. Okay, so it is basically before h2 and after h2, we have written this way. Now let me, but still not getting printed for us. This content is not coming up. It's not, is it giving any error? It's not giving any error. Still we are unable to see the data. Okay, we have taken content like this and this is content. We come to main.py, then here we try to change it. Just we put here cont, that much. And in the home.html, instead of putting content, we just put only cont. So this must be now getting rendered for us. This is okay. And when we come here, it has to be getting displayed. But go here and try to see where is the problem. More tools and developer tools. Do we have any errors? No errors in this. Even when you refresh this, nothing is coming in this here. But we are sending data in that. Okay, we are sending data. What is the data? The data is here. It is content. If you look into main.py file, here it is cont home description. Home description we kept like this here. We kept actually a string that must be getting displayed here in the HTML page. Okay, this content is not available. If I come here, I stop it once, then again try to run that. So it says here internal server error. Why it is internal server error? Let us go and see here app root / home we have def home render template title description cont home description we have taken. Okay. Tag name expected, it says. Where is the tag name here? So if I come to HTML page, where is the tag I'm missing here? I'm not missing any tag in this. Okay. It has come twice. Because of that, again, come to this point. It is a sample content for home page. It is getting printed here. Sometimes dynamically maybe generating. If you come to main.py file here, so in this, we may generate some random number. Here we go with the import random. This is module name. Okay. Here, write num equal to random dot rand int is a method name. Okay. So we give some 100 followed by here 999. This can pick a number between 100 and 999. Both are inclusive. So here num gen. We write this as here num. We have to render this num now here in the HTML page. Okay, then this is going to be content. Then this is br tag. And here inside this, sorry, not num content, num gen. Write this as number generated. Okay. Now this is fine. We come here and see it's not printing. So what is the reason? Num generated, num gen we have taken. So this has to print for us in the main.py num gen. The variable name is here num gen. In the HTML page, it's correct only. Okay, so it's not coming up. Probably sometimes it's taking time. Any errors do we have in this? We don't have any errors. Refresh in the main.py. This is what numgen equal to num. We generated number. Then after that we are sending to template. Okay, it is nothing but a number only. We have rand int. It is going to be an integer between 100 and 999. Print num. What this prints, we see in this. Okay. Fine. Then once again render. Okay. Now 484 it is saying. If you refresh, you can get dynamically the number getting changed. So this is what exactly dynamic content. In the HTML page, we are mixing both Python code as well as like HTML. It's a variable, which is a variable here. Numgen is a variable, and you are marking the Python code as well as HTML code using here block content and here end block. So within them, we can write it. So here we are putting some HTML content, particularly variables we are putting. So this is templating Flask templates. These are Ginger templates. Using Flask, we are editing the pages here. Next question in this is how to use Bootstrap in this. We have to use a Bootstrap. Okay, so let us use the Bootstrap in this. Let us go with this and find the Bootstrap CDN. Okay, so we get the Bootstrap CDN. With that, we try to add it. The CDN is this one we can use. Not script, actually CSS we need. So just changing. This is so. Fine, so only CSS let us try to use. On the top, we put in the header part HTML head link href equal to put this. We close that here. We close there. Okay, now all this h1 I want to put in the container. Div class equal to here container. Because Bootstrap library is available for us. Therefore, here we go with the slash div. In the container, it should come. Okay. It's not getting applied immediately. Again, go with this. Then here, container is not getting applied. Okay, if you come to sources, or else, yeah, source, we have a source in this bundle, this one. Is it working or not? We need to see here. This is a CSS file. Okay, and CSS must be available for us. Container is actually a class name. So here this must be available. What is the reason? We need to check in this. In the case of container, normally what happens? It's going to be aligning in the center. If you go with normal container, I have used class size container, so it should work. Okay, so if I come here and if I try to see view page source, I'm using container. Container is not getting applied in this. Container is not taking effect. Just otherwise, I try only with this part. Only for this actually number generated, I would like to apply the container. Then here, flow with this and close it here. Number generated. It's not getting applied. Fine. Then here, once we stop, then after that we try to once again run this. Okay. So if you inspect display block, we have styles are not getting applied. No style is getting applied in this case. Though we are using Bootstrap, CSS, I'm using here link tag. With the help of that, try to access the HTML, the CSS, external CSS, but unable to apply here. I'm trying to go with container. Okay, fine. Then here, try to do with this div, then slash div. I'll go here with the button. BTN primary, I put. Then here, close the button, slash button, sample button. It's actually sample button kept like this. Then trying to render this part, it's not coming up immediately. I just stop this and see. Button is coming up, but no styles are getting applied here. When I try to use here the styles of the CSS, they are not getting applied. Rel equal to style sheet. Okay. Even in such case also not getting applied. I'm using here Bootstrap related. Okay, but it is not actually getting applied. So once again, see here, Bootstrap CDN, Google or W3 schools. There you can find exactly the CDN. So here with the CDN, if it is same, then it should work. Same thing, it is no difference between them. Okay, but why the link is not working? When you go with the Bootstrap, this should be working properly. So Bootstrap is not getting applied. Button, normally, it should look with actually some blue color kind of thing. So this is not working. Here if you take, okay, if this is missing, this is with this nothing to do, but still we put a JavaScript as well in this. Okay. So this button should be looking better. Somehow this is not getting applied. When we go with this is not getting applied here in this. It's not getting applied. Okay, so in this without bootstrap also we should work using CDN. So by default it does not work. So what we do for that purpose is here we come to this spot. Then in this we go with this percent followed by here block. Then right here style sheets. Okay, then here we have the CDN. After that, here we go with the percent end block. Then this is style sheets. Okay, so this is for the style sheets. Now will this be applicable? Let us see now this one here still not getting applied. Okay, still this is not getting applied actually. Though we gave here full path, it's not working properly. I'm specifying here complete like path. So link I gave here style sheet. Okay, so further if we try to add something, we can add here type equal to text oblique CSS also we put. Okay, once again, we try to render, but no use. At last, this is working now for us. Okay, here, therefore, we need to go with the block followed by style sheets. In that, whatever you want to have, you can have in that. Similarly, this is for the bootstrap JavaScript. When you use certain widgets of the bootstrap, then you require those JavaScript. So therefore, here you need to use here some other way. With the help of that, you can go with the like JavaScript. Okay, for JavaScript, we need to write another block. So in the Ginger template, even we need to add the JavaScript. Now, if you look at this, CSS is getting applied. There's no problem. Now for this we applied content, because of that it's in this manner. So on the top now you can go. Here also we applied, but container, for this is getting applied. Now remove this. Even for this also we remove it. Div. Okay, now for the button also this should apply. Right now button where it is extremely in the left side. After this it should come towards little bit left. Okay, where exactly we applied container, which is button is also part of that only. Okay, so extra div somewhere I think we have some other div. Now once again, okay, but why this div then in such case? Okay, this div is different, that is different. Okay, even remove this div here. After that, the button should move towards right side. Now it is coming towards right side. Now we should be in a position to use the JavaScript as well. Okay, with this we need to add. Let us go here and see Bootstrap C. This is jQuery CDN for jQuery CDN W3 schools. Here we can find the CDN for jQuery. So this is the CDN we have. Here let us put the script block. Okay, go to the bottom of this, then render the HTML with render the JavaScript, whether this works or not. We can see script, then here /script, here write, here in this case dollar document dot ready, then function, write alert jQuery. Whether jQuery is running or not, you can find from this now. Okay, we restart this. Then after that, refresh it. jQuery is running for us. Okay, document already. Okay, but style sheets we need to write separately. For the script, nothing is required. So document.ready function, the script is running, jQuery is available. You can use the jQuery. So what we have done in this, we created simple HTML page from the Flask, and you can mix content inside this in this manner. Okay, within the curly brackets, we could put actually the content. Okay, whatever content you want to display, first %block content, and in this you can put the content. And whenever you want to have your style sheets, you can put in this manner. So using block concept, you can make like various blocks. Okay, now here you need to create various pages. From page to page, actually, you need to navigate. Okay, so here, suppose now this is a home page. In the home page, what you want to put in the admin home page? Normally, in the admin home page, we have admin dashboard. We need to design admin dashboard, and in the admin dashboard, you need to keep those things. So let us see Bootstrap templates for the admin dashboard. admin dashboard. Okay, so there are certain things available, those we can use. Something similar to this can be taken. But these are all premium, I think. Free we need to use. You have to go with the free kind of thing. Free download. You can come to color lib. From the color lib, you can choose certain things and we can add them here. Simply they can be added. Okay. You can download and we can put this. This is looking nice. First one is not that good, or else that can be fine also. But we require more such information. It's mostly related to statistics. We don't require statistics. That you need to configure according to the requirement. So this looks better a little bit. Okay. Not even this. Okay, so this is looking a little better. This we can configure. You can download this one for free, and this can be more info and download. Just saying it for Angular, but okay. Otherwise, we need to make. If we give email ID, they keep on messaging us. Okay, so here, can we find anything? Let us see. All are going to be looking like similar only. Okay. So just bootstrap related stuff only, not any material or anything other. Okay, so this looks better, but this is, we need to pay for that. We require free. So wherever free are available, we can download them. From the GitHub, this can be downloaded. Download zip. Once zip is downloaded, okay, we can extract here itself. It can be seen how whether they match our requirement or not. All these are going to be related to index page. We can open and see the index. Okay, so this is for the administrator. We can set those things. Can you look into such templates for the admin? Okay, and you try to find few things for the admin, then we can map them with the form elements, with components. We can use layouts. There can be various layouts actually we use. We create layout page with that we try to do. Really, today I'm not little active. So reason we had for the last few days too much work, looking very much tired. That is the reason. Not what I thought I could cover today, but due to that reason I could not cover. But tomorrow we'll do it. Just, I mean, excuse me for this day.